Hello everyone! So this is part 2 of the survival seeds collaboration for 2024. So after selecting, I initially selected just a few seeds and I ended up with so many more, but I'm starting them inside this year, and I'm gonna use this here, which is a seed starting greenhouse kit by Burpee, so 72 cells, and it's really cool because you have literally nothing else to add. It's all in there. So let me lower you and show you what we have, and let's just get started here. So you have 2 packs of cells, as you see here. So you have what I really like to, let me get this out. You can write down what you plant, because last year I kind of got a bit confused with certain herbs, so at least here I will not. So let me get, so this is the top, obviously, the plastic top, and another one, and we've got several. And so here's, I guess that's the bottom here. So we've got 2 steps, and here, and the same, I should have the same here. Oh, I'm missing that. Yeah, that should be it actually. Let me, yes, we have the cells. Oops, let me lower it here. And inside you have, so I need to put them, so in each one we have some coconut coir. For each cell you should have one of these little ones. So I need to spread them because they were all, you know, on top of each other. So I need to put 1 per cell, and then we just need to add a bit of warm water and let them expand. And that will pretty much be it. So as you can see here, I have 2 per cells. So I just need to put them in the second one, and that is it. Then it's just a matter of selecting the seeds I want to plant. So it's the first year I'm doing like this. Usually I have some soil, seed starter soil, and some smaller seed starter kits, but here it just seems so easy. I got it at the end of last year, you know, when it was the end of the season. Nobody was planting anymore. It was on sale, so I just grabbed a pack here. All right. Here we go, we have the 2. So what I'm gonna add, so put this on the side, my sheets to keep track of what I plant on the side, as well as the seeds here. So I have a lot of different, oh yeah, the mammoth sunflower. I want to start again. So, but here is my warm water. So I'm gonna try here by adding a tiny bit of warm water in each cell. So it's supposed to expand. Oh yeah, it expands very quick. I'm gonna have to add more water here. That was not enough. This just soaks it so quickly. So this is what it looks like here. So these are the last one. As you can see, it's still expanding, but for the first ones, it's yeah, pretty much ready to get some seeds. So I'm gonna do one at a time. Here I haven't added the water yet because I want to make sure I remember what I plant where. So I'm gonna try to keep a good track right there on what I plant.
Ready to start, and to start I'm gonna go with some of the basil I had from Miss Coconut Farm. She said it was amazing basil, and I do love basil. So let me try here with the first here, trying a few of the basil. You can never have too much basil, so I'm a big fan. So this here will be, I'm just gonna do 4 because basil when it grows crazy. Just a few here, so, and I'm gonna write it down right away. But here I have basil from Wendy's.
So here's my first tray with the detailed explanation of what I have, and the last step right there is to cover it up so it's pretty wet. And there it goes. I'm gonna put it on the window ledge, and hopefully we should see some little sprouts germinating in a few days to a few weeks, depending on the seeds. And then I will get going with the number 2 right there, because I have more seeds I'd like to plant right there. Oh yes, and we need, my daughter really wants to try that one. Catnip, yes. But I have a few more in there. Yes, we haven't done that one we have done. Oh, I'm missing the cilantro and the sunflowers I have not done yet. So more to come on that seed starter kit here. This one here, it's actually only been 3 days because I did it a day later. And look at this, we have a full row that sprouted. It's all the same. So this is now we need to put it this way, and that row is all radish, or the French radish. All the row, yeah. We have one that's sprouting here. which is gonna be all these here are sunflowers. This is sprouting too. One over there. So all these are sunflowers. I have a mix of mammoth and another kind of sunflower. So this is sprouting. Do we have something else here? It's very early. Yeah, I see a little sprout here. And that one is zucchini. Oh yeah, we love zucchini. Oh yeah, zucchini starting right there as well. Do we have something else? I think that is it for now. I mean, it's only been 3 days, so yeah, let's cover it. Let's give it a few more days.